All right, well, a nice afternoon for us as temperatures made their way into the 80s, and it was a warm one for us. But as we head on into the evening, rain chances will be picking up for us. You can see the system just off to our west, currently impacting Minnesota and also western Wisconsin with some of those showers and thunderstorms. They will arrive for us into the overnight, and we'll see that with that will be a cold front that will start to cool us down a bit as we go into tomorrow afternoon and definitely by tomorrow night, dropping those numbers down into the 50s. Before this evening, it looks to be a bit sticky and muggy. Overnight conditions expected to only be around those maybe upper 60s, lower 70s for lows. So it's not going to be too cool at all. It's not even going to be comfortable. So definitely trying to find some way to stay cool as you head on into the night. Right now sitting at 74 with winds out of the west at 6 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies, though, beginning to develop for us. Middle 70s in Marquette. Farther to the west, that warmth is really beginning to take hold. 82 in Ironwood, 79 showing up in Ontonagon, lower as you go a little farther south, 79 in Florence, also at 79 as you head down into Menominee. Eastward, our numbers are in the middle 70s in Munising and in Manistee, at 75 in Escanaba, and here in Ishpeming at 74. Winds right now, northwest 13 in Houghton, 9 out of the northeast in Iron Mountain, and while at 10 in Escanaba, so not too much wind out there for the region. And looking at temperature-wise across the state, yes, definitely seeing a lot of 80s, even closer to 90 as you head down into Flint and Detroit. For us this evening, showers will enter, so definitely be prepared for that. We'll also watch out for those thunderstorms, and they'll remain in place heading into the afternoon on tomorrow. Now, heading into tomorrow night and going on into Thursday, we do get a bit of a break from the rain, but guess what? More is on its way as we go late into Thursday evening and on into our Friday and to the beginning of our weekend. But looking at our setup right now, we'll definitely be watching out for these showers and storms to make their way in as we head on into the evening. Yes, some of these storms could be on the stronger side, but once we head on into the evening, a lot of that instability that will be in place will start to diminish just a bit for us. And as we go into tomorrow, definitely seeing a decrease in that instability, so not going to be quite as high percentage, or even the low percentages that we do have will become even lower when it comes to any type of severe action as we go on into Wednesday afternoon, and starting to quiet down in the rain department also as we head on into tomorrow night. Here's a look at our Futurecast model. You'll see the rain does come in as we head into the evening. Not a really good solid band in place, so there will be some areas that will not get hit by any of the showers or storms, but definitely we'll have a chance throughout the night and on into tomorrow. Tomorrow night, seeing a few clouds around as well as some light chances of rain earlier on before things do quiet down. Patchy fog will develop behind all of this, so watching out for that tomorrow night, and then we'll head into Thursday evening, watching out for this next system to come in and provide another chance of showers. Tonight, we'll see our numbers dip down into the upper 60s, muggy with rain in place. Winds out of the south-southwest between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now for tomorrow, we'll have those passing thunderstorms in place, but they should start to come to an end as we head on into the evening. Winds now shifting out of the north between 5 to 15. High temperatures a bit on the warm side before the cooler air does arrive, so expecting more of the 80s as you head into Crystal Falls and in Florence. 79 in Escanaba, farther south and west, north and west, Ontonagon at 78, 72 in Houghton, while at 71 in Munising, and 79 in Manistee. For your forecast over the next 7 days, rain chances a bit higher tomorrow, not quite as high as we head into Thursday, as it looks like most of it should be gone. Slight 30% chance for us with highs in the upper 60s. Cooling off a bit more heading into Friday, down to 66 degrees for your high. And then Saturday, expecting more of the 60s to be in place. So cooler days ahead of us after the heat that we've just experienced over the past 2 to 3 days. But the first half of the weekend does look to be wet. Heading into the second half, watching out for more of that sunshine. So a much better day heading into Sunday before a few more clouds come back in by next Monday and Tuesday.